Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Utter faith. What is inside your inner world comes out at times, and sometimes the dark side reveals itself with the light. When you feel confused, lost, or bitter at the world, ensure you seek within and find the God or Goddess within you. The God within you would always act out of love, compassion, and integrity. And the God within you would say all things are possible with utter and unwavering faith. Thank you so much, Danny G. That's amazing. And I completely believe this. I believe God is inside you, the universe, whatever you want to call that power. I believe it's energy, and we all are energy. We're here as a soul having a human experience. That's just what I believe. And if you follow your heart, that's God. So just follow your heart and follow the doors that open. Let go of the past. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.